Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to start chapter 9, concept of revenue. So, first of all, we are going to know what is the meaning of revenue. So, revenue is considered as the money received by the sale of a product, okay, of a firm. That means whenever a firm is producing anything, okay, whenever a firm is producing anything, whatever the product, or you could say ki whatever products are sold in the market, and in turn whatever money is received by the firm is considered as the revenue received by the firm. So this will be more clear by an example. Suppose the firm is producing ice creams. Okay, the firm is producing ice creams. So suppose in one day, uh, the number of ice creams produced is 1000. Okay, that means daily production is 1000. So this will be called as output. Okay, so when the output is 1000, and in the market, if the firm keeps the cost 10 rupees per ice cream, okay, 10 rupees per ice cream, then what is the revenue received by the firm? That means 1000 ice creams will be sold at 10 rupees per ice cream, and the revenue received is 10,000. So this 10,000 is considered as the revenue of the firm. We are taking an example of an ice cream firm. Suppose the output, that means the number of ice creams produced daily, we are taking. Daily the firm is producing 1000 units of ice cream, and in the market the cost of per ice cream is rupees 10. So the number of ice creams produced, that means output, when it is multiplied by the cost of one unit, okay, then we receive the output. That means 10,000 is considered as the revenue which is received by the firm. So the revenue could be calculated as cost plus profit, or it could be more clear by profit is equal to revenue minus cost. That means whatever revenue we receive, when we subtract the cost incurred or the expenditure done on the product, okay, or on the production of the output, okay, तो जब उसमें से हम कॉस्ट को माइनस कर देते हैं तो वी गेट प्रॉफिट. सो ओवर हेयर वी हैव टर्न दिस इक्वेशन, ओके, इसको जंबल अप कर देते हैं, तो रेवेन्यू कुड बी कैलकुलेटेड एज द कॉस्ट इनकर्ड एंड बाय एडिंग द प्रॉफिट अर्नड इन इट. फाइन. So as we are talking about revenue, now we are going to study about the components of revenue. So revenue is divided, or you could say ki revenue is having three components. First is total revenue, marginal revenue and average revenue. It is almost, you could say ki similar to the concept of total cost, marginal cost and revenue, average cost. So revenue is also having three concepts, okay, components for the total revenue, marginal revenue and average revenue. So first we will be discussing about total revenue. So first we will be discussing about total revenue. So what is the meaning of total revenue? So total revenue can be called as the revenue that a firm earns by selling the given output. That means selling the given output. That means whatever is produced in the firm, okay, when the firm sells that, but those particular products or the output, and whatever money is received in turn, it is considered as total revenue. It is considered as total revenue. So for example, if 100 ice creams are sold. Okay, 100 ice creams are sold at the rate 10 rupees per ice cream. If suppose 100 ice creams are sold at the rate are produced and 100 ice creams are sold at 10 rupees per ice cream, so revenue over here is, so this is the output and it is sold at a price of 10 rupees. So revenue over here is price into quantity. Okay, so revenue over here is price into quantity. So this revenue could also be called as total revenue, because total number of the ice creams produced were 100, so we are considering it total revenue. Okay, so total revenue is equal to price is rupees 10, and how many units we are selling? We are selling 100 units. So what is the revenue? Rupees 1000. So this is considered as the total revenue. Fine. So it is also referred to the receipt of the firm. It is also referred as the receipt of the firm from the sale of the output is which is produced by the firm. That means जो firm ने produce किया है उसको sell करने के बाद जो amount receive होता है, that is called as total revenue. Now the next concept is marginal revenue. Now the second component we are going to discuss is the marginal revenue. Now what is marginal revenue? Marginal revenue is the change in total revenue when one more unit of a commodity is sold. Okay, change, it is represented by delta sign. Change in total revenue when one more unit of a commodity is sold. Okay, so when one more unit, that means whatever was produced earlier, okay, now one more unit is produced, one more extra unit is produced. Okay, so उस extra unit को produce करने पर और पहले का जो difference था, so the difference between the previous total revenue and now after producing that one more unit also and we are selling that unit also, now the difference between the recent one and the previous one is the change in total revenue. Okay, now for example, total revenue we consider as rupees say 10,000. Okay, when it was 10,000, when 10 units of a commodity was sold. Okay, when 10 units of a commodity was sold, okay, at you could say कि 10 units at rupees 1000 per unit. ओके 1000 रुपीज़ के हिसाब से आपने 10 यूनिट्स को सोल किया है, सेल किया है, तो वी आर रिसीविंग अ रेवेन्यू ऑफ रुपीज़ 10,000. नाउ सपोज total revenue will be suppose we are producing 11 units. Okay, and अगर 11 units को 1000 rupees के accordingly we are not changing, there is no change in price, we are selling it at rupees 1000 only. So we are producing now 11 units and we multiply it by 1000. Now the revenue received by us is 11,000 rupees. That means now previously the revenue was 10,000 and by producing one extra unit, that means we have now shifted from 10 units to 11 units. Okay, that means one more unit has been produced and after selling that one more unit there is a change in total revenue. That means it has changed from 1000 to 11,000. Okay, so marginal revenue would be total revenue of 11 units minus total revenue of 10 units. That means 11,000 minus 10,000, and the answer comes to be rupees 1,000. So this 1,000 rupees is considered as marginal revenue. Fine. Now we are going to discuss about the third component. It is the average revenue. So what is average revenue? Average revenue refers to the revenue per unit of output. That means per unit of output. That means when how many units we are producing. Okay, suppose we are producing 10 units, so per unit output whatever we are calculating, okay, whatever output we are calculating for per unit, that is considered as the average revenue. So average revenue refers to per unit revenue of the output. Fine. So average revenue, it could be calculated as total revenue divided by quantity. So total revenue is whatever total production we are having, okay, usko sell out करने के बाद whatever money we receive is considered as total revenue, and the quantity which we are selling. Okay, so over here total revenue divided by quantity is the average revenue. For example, if total revenue of the firm is rupees 1,000 and quantity is 1,000 units, okay, quantity is 1,000 units, so average revenue will be total revenue divided by quantity. That means total revenue is rupees 1,000 divided by quantity 100, and it comes out to be 10. So this is rupees 10. Fine. So this rupees 10 average revenue is rupees 10. Clear?